Thank the TV gods for video streaming apps. We are blessed with so many viewing options coming from all over the world.
You should just pick something.
I can't decide. There's so many options. It's like, who even watches all this stuff?
Oh, you best believe I'm the master binge watcher. In full disclosure, I've even gone down the K-drama rabbit hole. And if you haven't, I'm telling you, you're missing out on a lot, but it's never too late. So here's your starter kit to the 10 Korean dramas you should watch before you die. What's up, Acnetics? This is Discovery Amuse, serving up your daily dose of the most outrageous, outlandish, and out-of-this-world fun facts. Our top pick is so well-loved in the Far East that it's just a matter of time before it takes over the world. So don't be left behind. Say annyeong to your newest addictions. Number 10, Kingdom. Rampaging zombies taking over an ancient palace? Shut up and hold my popcorn! Hailed by the New York Times as one of the best international shows of 2020, Kingdom, which is Netflix's first original Korean series, is set during the Joseon era when a mysterious plague starts spreading, and it's up to the Crown Prince Lee Chang to save his people from the undead. The show successfully marries the plot's main premise of the kingdom's power struggle together with disturbing imagery of blood, gore, and, super agitated zombies that can scare the bejesus out of horror fans. Keep watching because our number one pick will turn you into a ball of tears. Don't say we didn't warn you. Number 9, Boys Over Flowers. This 2009 K-drama hit was based on the Japanese manga Hana Yori Dango, which has been adapted for TV in Japan, China, and Taiwan. But the Korean version, starring Korean heartthrob Lee Min-ho, has become one of the more popular adaptations.
야, 저건 별이 아니고 인공위성이야, 이 무식한 여자야.
It has all the elements of a perfect young adult Korean drama, a plot that centers on the war of the classes, angsty young love, and a hip soundtrack. The show also started the trend of metrosexual or pretty boy image in South Korea and made Lee Min-ho a household name. Number 8, Full House. In the early 2000s, Korean rom-coms took not just the country, but the entirety of Asia by storm. And if you want to know what all the fuss is about, then Full House is a worthy intro to the Korean rom-com invasion. The story revolves around an aspiring scriptwriter and a popular actor who were forced to live together due to some outlandish circumstances. At first, they got on each other's nerves, but eventually they learned more than just to live with each other harmoniously. Oh, and did I mention it stars one of Korea's biggest K-pop superstars, Rain?
Oh no, he's hot!
It's hilarious and heartwarming all at the same time, and I dare you to watch it and not get butterflies. Number 7, Coffee Prince. Long before Korean actor Gong Yoo became famous for smacking zombies in the 2016 blockbuster hit Train to Busan, he was popular among K-drama fans as a young food empire mogul Han Kyul in the 2007 TV series Coffee Prince. In this gender-bending drama, Han Kyul makes the tomboyish waiter Yoon Chan his fake gay lover to avoid arranged dates set up by his family. But complications ensue when Han Kyul starts to develop feelings for Yoon Chan, despite not knowing that she's actually a girl and not a man as he thought she was all along. In a country where homosexuality is still highly regarded as taboo, Coffee Prince's success in Korea was certainly a step in the right direction. Number 6, It's Okay, That's Love. What's exciting about K-dramas is how they tackle sensitive issues and make them more accessible to mainstream audiences, just as how this 2014 show bravely addressed the delicate topic of mental health. In a nutshell, It's Okay, That's Love is about a man who came from a family that faced a murder case, trying to grapple with his guilt with the help of a female psychiatrist battling with her own psychological problems. Featuring award-winning actress Gong Hyo-jin, this drama will surely pull at the heartstrings of the most jaded of viewers. Number 5. Itaewon Class. Considered as one of South Korea's most bankable actors since 2011, Park Seo-joon, or PSJ, has starred in a string of top-rated romantic comedy K-dramas. But in an attempt to veer away from the swoon-worthy leading man image he's come to be known for, PSJ showcased his extensive acting chops in this 2020 show about an ex-con out to exact revenge by building his own empire with the help of a ragtag crew of unlikely allies.
개소리 짓거리지 말고 쳐보라고 이씨.
사장님, 그만.
Along with the plot that centers around a decades-long blood feud, the show also tackled social issues such as racism, capitalism, and homophobia. Top-notch acting plus unconventional themes? No wonder Time magazine hailed Itaewon Class as the best Korean drama on Netflix, and Forbes listed it as one of the best Korean dramas of 2020. Number 4. Stairway to Heaven. Imagine being separated from your childhood sweetheart, only to see her years later after coming back from abroad. But the catch is, when you see each other, she doesn't remember you because she got into a previous accident that caused her memory loss. Worse, said accident was caused by the woman who's secretly in love with you. It sounds absurd on paper, but trust me when I say that Stairway to Heaven turns on the waterworks so bad you'll be hoarding Kleenex. This 2003 melodrama piles on tragedy after tragedy that will make Shakespeare roll over in his grave.
그동안 정태라고 생각하고 무례하게 대한 거 미안했어요.
Headlined by Korean A-listers Choi Ji-woo and Kwon Sang-woo, Stairway to Heaven undeniably helped kickstart the spread of the so-called Korean wave overseas with its classic tale of true love defying all odds, even amnesia. Number 3. Crash Landing on You. When this show aired in early 2020, it shattered viewership records left and right, and understandably so. For one, it was a well-balanced mix of rom-com, action, and suspense, with the story revolving around an heiress named Yoon Se-ri, who was literally swept away into North Korean territory. Yup. Fierce winds took the paragliding heiress into the northern part of the Korean DMZ. There she was spotted by North Korean soldier named Captain Ri, who took pity on the heiress and decided to hide her until they found a way to get her back to the other side of the border.
날 설마 지금 간첩 그런 거라고 말하는 거예요?
가능성에 대해 말하고 있어.
Aside from the laugh-out-loud dialogue and the blossoming romance between the North and South Korean characters, what made the show stand out was how it portrayed the daily North Korean lifestyle not often seen on TV. The production team even consulted defectors to ensure the scenes were as realistic as possible.
이게 뭐야?
김시웅? 모릅니까?
어? 난 모르지.
이거 김시웅입니다.
And in case you need more proof of the undeniable chemistry between its leads, Son Hee-jin and Hyun Bin, in 2021 the couple admitted that they had started dating in real life shortly after filming the K-drama. Now how's that for authenticity? Number 3. Secret Garden. This modern-day Cinderella story put an unusual twist to the average push and pull between the male and female leads by adding an element of fantasy to its romantic storyline, switching bodies a la Freaky Friday.
이게 죽으려고.
왜?
너 지금 나 놀리려고 일부러 그러는 거잖아.
내가 뭘?
We all know the lead couple will eventually fall in love, but imagine overcoming the odds of their warring classes, plus cracking the mystery of how they could get back to their own bodies. Sounds like a recipe for disaster, but the incredible portrayal of Hyun Bin and his co-star Ha Ji-won is equal parts endearing and engaging.
몸매 보려고 불렀지. 근데 그쪽 옷차림은 상당히 반항적이다?
나 이 꼬꼬마가 진짜.
Before we go to our number one pick, do us a solid and make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to choose all so you won't miss out on any of our latest life-changing, boredom-busting content. And of course, be sure to turn on notifications in your app's settings. Number 1. Reply 1988. If you think love stories are all there is to the Korean TV producer's arsenal, then you've got another thing coming. Aside from sci-fi epics and historical sagas, they make the most heartwarming family dramas too. For your consideration is this little TV show that's hailed as one of the best K-dramas of all time, Reply 1988.
아이고 나 사장. 아이고 김 사장 해야지.
이혼하는 수가 있다.
Set in 1988, the series revolves around the lives of 5 friends and their families who all live in the same neighborhood. Despite having so many characters to follow, the show successfully makes the viewers relate to each and every one of them as they all face their own demons while navigating life and keeping the harmony in their own families.
야 이 미치잖아.
Reply 1988 garnered both critical and commercial success, posting a finale rating of 18.8%, placing it among the top 5 highest-rated dramas in Korean cable TV history. So, which of these shows will you check out on your next Netflix and Chill Sesh? Sound off your thoughts in the comment section below. Take home any of our exclusive gear by browsing our merch shelf or clicking the link in the video description. And while you're at it, take our quiz to find out how you can earn extra cash online doing what you do best. Awesome, right? From Korea, let's head on over to the land of the rising sun as we round up the 10 weirdest and most shocking Japanese game shows. Till then, stay open-minded, Fact Natics, and see you in the next video.